It's finally here. This is the Xbox Series X retail box. We're going to be unboxing it today and taking a look inside. Stay tuned. So yes, this is the box. This is the box you'll be receiving if you pre-ordered. Or if you are lucky enough to pick one up on launch day. This is everything you will get on the inside. This is the packaging on the outside. On the back here you can see that we have some Halo Infinite marketing here, which is unfortunate because, as we all know, Halo Infinite has been delayed until next year, but the packaging still talks about it quite a bit on the back. It says power your dreams. On the side here, just a quick look at the box itself, and on the other side are specs and everything the console can do. So yes, of course, this is the Xbox Series X, not the Series S, as you can probably tell. And let's pull these tabs off here. There's one on that side, and there's one on this side as well. Wonderful. Take those off to the side. Okay, so looks like the box lies down. So I raised the camera a little bit to give you a better look at what this is going to be like, and there it is. That is the Xbox Series X itself. So this is the box itself. Opens up sort of like a luxury watch, which I think is really nice. We have our quick start guide here, but we're not going to take a look at that because we all know how to set up an Xbox in 2020. So let's take it out of the box. I'll do my best not to obscure the view because I know that's what we all want to see, but there it is. There's the console. We'll take a closer look at that in a second. But for now, we have more box to go through. Here is the compartment for all of the cables. We have our HDMI ultra high speed. I don't know if you can see that there. So as you can see there, this is our ultra high speed HDMI cable. As it says there, I think it's HDMI 2.1. And here is the UK power adapter. Yours will obviously vary depending on region. And then in here, we have the all new I say, the slightly updated Xbox controller for the Series X and S. Of course, this is backwards compatible with the Xbox One as well. But yes, here it is in all of its glory. Let's see if we can focus on that. There we go. With the slightly updated design and much better D-pad. We will take a closer look at that as well. And that's basically everything in the box. We have our health and safety and all of that other stuff that nobody really cares about. Let's take a look at the console. So here it is, it's the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's take the console out of its wrapping. Let's move all of this to the side. So here it is, here's the console. Let's take off the paper here and take off that as well. And I guess it just slides out. Or we can take it off like this. So here we are, the moment we've been waiting for. The Xbox Series X, everybody. Wow. It's striking with its wrapping all on the base. Let's take this off here. Being so careful, I don't want to break it. All right, here we are. So here is the Xbox Series X, the console itself. You've likely seen this many times already, but if you haven't, on the front we have our power button at the top here. Nice and clicky. We have our tray eject button. We also have our controller pairing button down here and one USB-A port, as well as the disc tray, of course. On this side, we have nothing really except 4 feet for if you want to lay it horizontally. It does support a horizontal laying down. On the back, we have all of our ports at the bottom. We have our storage expansion ports. We have our HDMI ports. We have our power in here. We have our Ethernet jack, and then we have 2 USB-A ports here as well. Then on this side we have absolutely nothing, a nice black side except for the Xbox logo down here. So that's basically everything in the box. This is not a full review and it's also not an overview of the console's capabilities. That's being reserved for the full review. Make sure you check out windowscentral.com for that when it goes live. In addition, make sure you check out the Windows Central gaming channel on YouTube for much more content on the Series X as well as the Series S, including performance benchmarks, gameplay and all of that good stuff. On this channel, we're just unboxing the hardware because we like hardware. But there you have it. Thank you so much for watching and we shall see you in the next one. Bye-bye.